Want to create an interactive game or sorting activity for kids or for your class? Then be sure to watch till the end. Go to Canva AI and select this one. So just be very specific with what sorting activity or interactive activity you want. Don't worry, I will comment down the prompt I use here. Just wait till the coding finishes. And there you go. You can choose if you want to use it for a website, presentation, doc, or whiteboard. So for this, I will choose the website. Once you're satisfied, click on Publish Website button, fill in the site address and subpath, then click Publish. After that, click on the View Preview button, and there you have it. This is perfect for kids, or if you're teaching, you can use this in your class. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Comment down yes. Be sure to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!